Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today I'm going to show you how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can easily avoid tolls on any Google Maps route in a desktop map or via mobile app. The first thing to do is to simply tap open your Google Maps application and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Once you do that, input your destination into the search bar at the top. Once you search for your destination, tap on the directions button. Now, tap on the three dots on the top right hand corner right next to your location and select Route Options. From the options displayed on the screen, tap on Avoid Toll Roads and click on Done. Once you're done with it, tap on the Start button at the bottom left hand corner when you're ready to go. And that way, you can avoid tolls on Google Maps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.